You're watching How Leap. Let's fix the WhatsApp unknown call not ringing problem on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to tap WhatsApp. Here, make sure the notifications option is turned on. Tap into notifications and ensure allow notifications is enabled at the top. Check that sounds and critical alerts are both turned on. Next, go back to your iPhone's main settings and select Focus. Ensure that Do Not Disturb and other focus modes are not active, as these can silence unknown callers. Now open the WhatsApp application, tap the Settings tab at the bottom right, then go to Notifications under Message. Notifications, verify that Show Notifications is on, then tap Voice Calls and make sure ringtone is set to a tone you can hear and that Vibrate is enabled. Also toggle the unknown sender option to ensure calls from numbers not in your contacts will ring. Finally, restart your iPhone to apply all changes. Your WhatsApp calls should now ring for unknown numbers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.